Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks again for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely leave us a comment. We want to hear who you guys like to draw, who you'd like to see us draw next. Tonight we are going to draw Damian Lillard of the Milwaukee Bucks. He recently got traded to the Bucks. We have a drawing of Damian Lillard with the Portland Trailblazers, so check that out on our channel. We're going to get right into this. He played college basketball at Weber State University, a small college in Utah, and then was drafted first round, top 10 pick to the Portland Trailblazers, which was kind of unheard of for a small school. So let's get started. This superstar with the Bucks. Find the center of your page up and down, the center of your page across. Get your dark marker with a pointed tip, and we'll do the head in the middle up top here. We'll start with the jaw. So we'll do the side of the jaw, angle down to the chin, angle up to the other side of the jaw. We're going to do the rounded head coming around and connecting down to the jaw. Okay? We'll do some ears, some sideways ovals on the side of the head, a couple of ovals for eyes as we do cartoon drawings of our athletes. And Dame Lillard kind of has a sleepy eyes, so what we're going to do is we're going to give a couple of eyelids slanting away, kind of slanting outward. Here's a couple of circles. Those are going to stay white, okay, you guys? A small circle on this corner, that's going to stay white. Make an arch, and that'll stay white. So we're going to fill in the black eyes around those circles. Those circles on the inside that are white right now, those are the highlights of the eyes. Those bring your characters, your cartoons, your drawings to life a little bit more. And really quick, I'm going to grab this light blue color, and I'm going to fill in this arch area with a light blue. I like to add a little bit of color. Say that this is the reflection of the stadium lights on Damian Lillard's eyes, and just adds a little interest to our drawing. So get your marker again. We'll do some eyebrows, up, down, angle up to a point, down, up, angle up to a point, and then down to a point, angle up to a point, and then down to a point, and fill those in with the black marker really quick. Now the edge of actually let's do the hair. So we're going to do a little bowl, so an arch across the top. This will all be filled in with our dark marker, and then on the edge, down, straight down and into the head is the side of the hair. Okay, so bring the edge of the eye down, make a dot. Bring the edge of the eye down, make a dot. That's the edge of the nose. Typically the nose is the same width between the eyes. So we're gonna go up, down, kind of like a small bird. And we'll fill in this area with our dark marker, kind of a sideways raindrop. Arch. We have the nose of Dame Lillard now. Okay, so Dame Lillard has kind of a smaller mouth opening, so we'll go up, down. See that? Another bird. And on the edge of each mouth, I like to turn it up a little bit. See? So it's up and then swoop up. Okay? And this lip up here is going to go up and down. And this lip down here is going to go like so. I'm just going to fill in a little bit of, almost like he's kind of has a half open mouth right there. I added a little dark line. Okay, he's always got this kind of lip beard right there. He's got a mustache that's coming down. He's got a big giant beard right here. I'll fill this in a little bit better on the fast forward, but right now we're just going to show you what we're doing here. So, okay, and then scribble it to the edge of the, scribble those whiskers to the edge of the jawline there, and we'll fill that in. Okay, we got Dame Lillard filled in, basically blocked in. Now we're going to do his neck, bring it down, angle, angle in, come to a point, and connect. Okay. All right, his jersey shoulder right there. Arch for the armpit, arch for the armpit. Now over here I'm going to draw a big basketball. Do a big circle right here. The best we can. Cool. He's doing his dribble, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers right there on the edge of the basketball. And his shoulder muscle bumps out and then gets lost behind the basketball there. Bumps out and then gets lost behind the basketball. Okay, same thing over here. Bump that shoulder out, bump it out again, bump that shoulder out, bump it out again, and we're going to do a big hand right here. So go make a V, kind of a check mark. Boom. This will be his thumb. This will be a finger, another finger, another finger, and another finger. They kind of get shorter as you go. Okay, he's kind of checking the defense there. Awesome. Okay, now the edge of the jersey over here, we're going to angle in, come straight across to connect. The shorts, we're going to go down, down, bump out on an angle, come in, up, down, out, and connect to the hip. So connect right there. Okay? Looking good, Dame. All right. Love Damian Lillard. He's one of my favorite players. Okay, so now we're gonna do the calf. Angle down. So start wide up top, angle down to an ankle, and get skinny as you go. Connect. Start wide at the top, angle down, start wide, angle down, and get skinny toward the ankle. Now we're going to do 2 big shoes right here. So we're going to do a bump up for the tongue. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for shoelaces. Bring that shoe out to the edge. Bring that shoe out to the edge. Coming straight across to the heel and stop and connect. Alrighty. Bring that heel down, stop, and connect over here to the toe. And we have Dame Lillard pretty much blocked out with our dark marker. Now I'm going to get a green, kind of this dark forest green for the Bucks. We're going to do an edge, do some green on the edge right here of the neckline, green on the edge of the shoulder, and we're going to do a big green stripe down the side of the short. A lot of times we do the coloring in the fast forward, but for some reason I feel like doing it right now. We'll do a green stripe at the bottom. Okay, now let's do the number 0. It's a rectangle. So come out, straight across, down, straight across, and connect. Big rectangle. In the middle you have a little rectangle. Down, over, over, down. Number 0. Now the word Bucks right here. Kind of squared off letters. B, U, C, K, and then the S. Cool. Now there's some stripes on the side here. So what we're going to do is we have I'm gonna bring my green down, leaving it white in that gap there. The bottom area is gonna be green, okay? Gap, there's another green stripe. Gap, gap, and then fill this area with green. Okay, green, gap, leaving it white, fill that area in with green, gap, gap, and then fill that with green. Cool. So really quick, we're gonna get like a cream, kind of an off-white color, and right here there's a little cream color filling in right there, and right there, and then that gap is going to be left white. There's another cream area right here on the shorts. Okay, and then around the O, just kind of outline that rectangle with this cream color, and on the inside, okay, and then around the bucks. So basically just tracing these green letters and numbers. And that's basically it. Now what we're gonna do next after I trace this is we are going to fast forward, just kind of fill in some of these colors. The orange basketball, the flesh color, the hair, the skin, the shoes, and feel free to pause if you need to. But what we're gonna do is ask you guys to subscribe to our channel. Let us know what you think of Dame Lillard. Let us know who you'd like to see us draw next in the comments. Follow us on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. We'd love to hear from you guys. So fast forward now.